So how does Codex compare to Cursor and Claude Code in real world use? As I said, I still feel Codex is like, yeah, I'm like not as advanced as, see, when I say advanced, I don't mean the model. So here we have to understand the difference between when a particular you are using an AI tool, what all things are in play. Of course, one is the model that is sitting behind, which is essentially the engine or the brain behind the whole thing. But that model is highly capable, but then you have to have tooling in which, the way you set your context, the way you understand prompts, or the way you set those guardrails and boundaries, that the tooling on top of the model has to be which makes it intuitive for the developer to use that models efficiently and effectively. So I feel Cursor does that much better than what Codex does. Cursor has that right set of tools which you can use effectively to use the models to its full potential. But having said that, yeah, it's evolving with things like Claude Code. Even though I have not used, I think the game is getting even better. And yeah, I'll have more inputs on that. So that's what my experience between the three. But as I said, with Codex, it has been more from a vibe coding perspective. And as I said, I feel it generates way too many stuff than necessary. And I have not really used Codex in my day-to-day work where and I have not used Codex in my day-to-day work much. I use mostly Copilot. So yeah, that's what my understanding or differences between these three has been.